Okay, hello everybody. This is continuing to look at version 1.2.0 of the Labyrinth app. So one thing that is nice is that we can now change the sounds of the Labyrinth app. So some folks have said they don't really like the sound of this because it's a little boomy on their system. It sounds nice on my system, but that's understandable. So here we go. And now we have a more complex synthesizer setup. Before it was just this window, but now we have this one too. And we have presets where we can save things how we like them. It loads up with only the original sound on, but listen to different options here. So you can hear that that's a little bit sharper. And then little variations. It gets pretty out there what it can do. You know, which could be nice. I could change the attack here and maybe that has to fluty sound, which is nice. And then moving forward. These are just presets. I just click on these little boxes. So if I like that one and I want to modify just a little bit, maybe I'm going to slow down because I can hear this kind of like listen as I turn this up and slow that down. You'll hear I have to click outside of that box. So I'm going to kind of make that less. Maybe take away the noise sound. Maybe speed up the rate a little bit. So it's kind of which could be kind of nice. So I'm going to save by holding down the Shift key. And I'm going to press right here at preset 20, which is empty. I could also save over one of these. But and now when I go back, and I'll go ahead and save this one in 20 also. So now when I select this, it selects both. So it sets this to 0 volume, which could be handy. So here, this is at full volume. This is not doing anything. And then I can switch in either one of these windows. And this, one aspect is sometimes things won't register as being saved if you've never adjusted them before. So now that should save. You just might have to tinker with it. See? Which is a nice feature. There's all kinds of fun, silly stuff. So I could like increase the delay feedback over here. If I really want to get out there, I could change the attack time. This is what this does. I'm just dragging these guys. And it suddenly rushes up, you see? Maybe pull this. I guess that's as high as that goes. So that's the... And I'm going to increase the depth. And now. So pretty wild sounds are explorable with the Labyrinth app. So then I'm going to go back to my standard sound. It's kind of marimba-like, and I like that sound on my system. And I'm going to show you the other new feature in the app, which is we now have a metronome. I'm going to continue to develop and add features to the metronome, but it is nice. It's always on. And if you ever felt like the app needed more cowbell, it now has cowbell. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to hold down Alt and hit spacebar. I can just do the off beats like that. is a a nice thing to do. That will play whenever you're doing automatic movement over the scale, which is what I was just doing, or when you are playing a song. So let's see. Do rhythm. So you see? Which can just be handy when you're practicing along. You can slow down things as much as you want. That's pretty fast rhythm changes there. And then you can just save over the slot like normal, overwrite, or you could save into a new slot. You can export your playlist. You can import your playlist, what I showed you before. Exporting the playlist is as simple as just naming it and doing that, which I'm not going to do right now. But you can save it into the folder. So these are the new features of the Labyrinth app. I hope some folks find these cool. There's more to come. Now I can make updates again because we've got that export import thing that I just talked about in the last episode of the Garden of Forking Paths, which is the sub-series of this channel devoted to the app itself. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.